Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make lightening acne soap. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So firstly, you need goat milk based soap which contains alpha hydroxy acid to help remove dead skin cells and prevent acne. It lightens the skin and it prevents eczema and itching. You need turmeric powder which brightens the skin. It reduces the appearance of wrinkles, acne, dark spots, dark cycles, and it glows the skin. You need vitamin E oil which moisturizes the skin. It helps in skin cell regeneration. It lightens dark spots and scars. You need lemon oil which lightens the skin. It helps in fading dark spots, acne. It prevents premature aging and it removes blackheads. You need tea tree essential oil which helps in fading acne. It treats eczema, skin inflammation, blackheads, and it unclogs pores. Apart from disinfecting your working equipment, you also need rubbing alcohol to remove bubbles from your soap before cooling. So firstly, I'll double boil my goat milk based soap to melt. I'm putting 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Next, I'm putting 1 tablespoon of lemon oil. I'm now putting 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. After which, I'm putting about 4 drops of tea tree essential oil. So now I'm just coating my soap mold with coconut oil, after which I'll pour in my soap. I'm just spraying rubbing alcohol to take out the bubbles, then I'll leave it to dry naturally. And this is our Lightening Acne Soap. This soap can be used on the face and body. Use it 2 times daily as you use your normal soap. This soap is inexpensive but very effective. It fights acne, dark spots, wrinkles, dark skin patches, hyperpigmentation, and it glows the skin. It can be used on all skin types and toned and no side effects. You can try it out and drop comments on how best it worked for you. This is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do this, forget to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That's way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.